is our new Vortex rocket stove. It's nice and small and compact. Little flue pipe, combustion chamber right here. Got some plates on the inside to help with the vortex. Create the vortex, better combustion, cleaner air, less smoke at the back. Right, let's get it started. Only small pieces of wood for this one. See instantly the smoke coming out. While it's cold, it will have a bit of smoke. Once it's hot, it's everything. All the carbon in the smoke will be burned. So long as it takes to boil this water. If you want to slow down the combustion, just close this little. It's actually the aspan, but also the airflow. The wood I'm using here is a bit wet. You can see the wet spots there and actually hear it sizzle. And even still, you're getting clean smoke at the top, which is one huge advantage of this type of rocket stove Vortex. The kettle's boiling. Took about 20 minutes.